Hello everyone. In my previous video, I showed you how you can download and install PostgreSQL 16 and pgAdmin on your Windows 11 computer. Okay. Now, in today's video, we're going to be looking at how we can load and restore DVD rental database onto that PostgreSQL 16 that you had installed on your computer. And we are going to be using pgAdmin. Okay. Now, if you go to this link, and by the way, for those of you that did not watch the previous video where I showed you how to download and install PostgreSQL Server 16 and pgAdmin, I'll put the link to that video in the description below. Okay. All right. Now go ahead to this link right here if you want to download the DVD rental database. Okay, I'll also put that in the description below. And then when you come right here, you can see it says download DVD rental sample database. Okay, now when you download this, it's going to be a zip file. It's going to be in zip format. Okay, and then we can then extract DVD rental .tar file. Okay, it is this DVD rental.tar file. Let me make this bigger. Let's see. Okay, I think it's good. Very good. Very good. So it is this DVD rental.tar file that we will then load onto our database. Okay, now let's get started, guys. Let's go to our Windows search bar, okay, and look for pgAdmin. So just type pgAdmin, and then that is it right here. I am going to open this right now. This is going to take a few seconds to open up, okay. Now you can see this is opened right here, okay. I'm not going to do anything yet. I will go back. I can just minimize it, and then I'll go back to this link, and then I will download the DVD rental sample database. So I'll click this. When I click it, you can see it went directly to my it downloaded to my downloads folder. I will click that. Now this is it, okay. If you look at this, you see that this is a DVD. Can I make this bigger? Let's see. Okay, I think so. This is DVD rental zip file that we just downloaded. Okay, if I double click this, take note, double click once. I have seen different people have different problems with installing this. Okay, I have so many people that have that have commented on my previous video where I showed how to do this. Okay, however, in the previous video where I showed how to do this in some video that I had made some months ago, in that case, that was Postgres 15, but this is Postgres 16. Okay, so just double click this once. Now, if you double click this once, you can see we have DVD rental. This DVD rental is the .tar file, even though it doesn't show right here. If you double click this again, see what happens. If I double click this again, you can see I am saying .dat file, right? You can see that I'm saying .dat file, but this is not what I want. Okay, what I want is just go back again, just go back one step. This is what I want, DVD rental. This one is the .tar file. Okay, let me show you again, guys, just to make sure that you understand what's going on. In my downloads folder, I have the zip file. So double click once. You can see we have DVD rental. This is the .tar file. Then I will right click to copy. I will copy, then I will go into my downloads folder. Then in this downloads folder, I can just open a new folder. So I will right click on this new, and then I will say open new folder. I can just leave it as new folder. Inside of it, then I will paste. I will say Ctrl V. I can say Ctrl V, okay? If I say Ctrl V, you can see I've pasted that. So that means that the .tar file is inside this new folder. Take note, this new folder, that's where we put the .tar file, okay? Now, let us go back to our pgAdmin. Let's go back to our pgAdmin, okay? and then we will come right here to servers. I'll do servers, and then I'll come to PostgreSQL 16. Now you can see it says that please enter the password for the user Postgres to connect the server. Remember that you had created a password before in my previous video where when you downloaded the PostgreSQL server, okay? So that same password, just enter it right here, okay? So I will enter mine and then I'll click OK. Very good. Now you can see that inside my Postgres 16, I have one database, which is this Postgres. This database comes pre-installed already when you installed the when you installed the PostgreSQL server. Okay, this Postgres database comes along with it. Okay, but now we want to create another database. Okay, we want to create the DVD rental database. Okay, now let us create the DVD rental database. So right click on this, then you have create, then you click database. Okay, now all we have to do is let us give it a name. I can just give it this name, right? I can say DVD rental. Okay, let's give it that name. And then I'll say save. Just click it once. Very good. Now you can see it says database connected. Now it has created DVD rental. Okay, now if you look at this DVD rental, if you come right here to schemas, open schemas, you can see you have one schema and that is public. It's public, right? If you come to tables, if you click on this, you can see if you toggle this, you don't have any table yet. Okay, now we want to add data into this. So all we have to do is come right here to DVD rental, right click on DVD rental, okay, and then come to restore. I'll click that, okay, and then I will give my I'll come right here. I'll say I'll leave this format the way it is. Then my file name, I'll navigate to that DVD rental.tar file that we put in that new folder. Remember that when we first of all downloaded, this was what we downloaded, right? And then inside this zip file, we double click it once and we got this. So we copied this out and then we created a new folder and put that DVD rental.tr file. But you don't see the .tr file yet, but that's fine. That's fine. So this is what we want to restore. Okay. So take note, if you double click, you're going to be seeing .dat file, but this is not what we need. Okay. This is what we need, right? So you don't need to double click and be looking at this. This is what we want to install, okay, or we want to load. So we will come right here to this file name. I'll click this, then I will navigate to my downloads folder and my new folder, okay. Then you come to this place right here, you'll say all files. So now I can highlight this, you can see the video renter, then I will say open. Okay, now you can see, then I will say restore. You can see now that when you put it right here, it says DVD rental.tar file. You can see that your computer was able to recognize that this is .tar file. Okay, now do restore. Now, very good. You can see something happen right here, guys. It says process started, and then now it says process failed. So there is a problem somewhere. It says restoring backup on the server PostgreSQL 16. So there is a problem somewhere. This has failed, okay? But we are going to give a fix to that now, okay? Now, to fix this problem, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be going to our C drive. So let us go to the C drive of our computer. If you come to C drive right here, okay, and I will double click this, and then I'll come to program files. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Can it be bigger? Okay, can be bigger. Then I will come to program files, double click. And then in program files, I'm going to look for PostgreSQL. This is it right here. I'll double click that. And you can see I have PostgreSQL. I'll click this. And then I'll come to bin. I'll double click that. And then I'll copy. I'll click Control A to highlight all of this. Okay. Then I'll do Control C. Or you can right click and copy, but preferably just do Control A to highlight everything and then Control C to copy. Okay. And then I will come back out. I come back out to PostgreSQL and I'll come to pgAdmin, double click that. Then I'll come to runtime. Okay. So inside this runtime right here, just click somewhere inside and then just do Control V so that you can copy everything that you just copied from that bin. Okay. So it's going to say the destination has, some number of files with the same names. You can just say replace the files in the destination. So I'll click this. So, and then if he's asking if you need to provide administrator permission, just say continue. Okay, what you can also just do is you can just check this and just say continue and just say continue, so that it's just going to do that for everything. Okay. Okay, this is going to take a few seconds. Okay, this action can be completed because the folder or a file in it is open in another program. Close the folder and try again. Let's see. Let us close our pgAdmin and then we'll come back right there. Maybe that's what he's talking about. We'll see. Let us close it, okay? Just to make sure that everything works fine. So let's check this and try again. Okay, very good. Now we have been able to copy from bin and pasted it right here. So let us go back again and open our pgAdmin. So I'll open my pgAdmin. It will take a few seconds to open. Okay, now come to servers. Come to SQL16, put your password, and then click OK. You can see we have our DVD rental, which we had created before. Now, let us right click and let us do restore again. And then let us navigate to that folder, to that file in the new folder. So come right here, do all files, highlight this, do open, and then let's restore again. Fingers crossed, guys. Let's do restore. Oh, very good. Now you can see it works now. It's a process completed. So now we have been able to load our DVD rental database with the data that we downloaded from this particular website right here. Okay. So now let us verify. So what we can do is we can refresh. So right click that and look for refresh. This is refresh. Let us refresh. Okay. And then since we have refreshed, let us come down right here to DVD rental schemas and look for tables. If I open that now, you can see right here, guys, that these are the tables of the DVD rental database, 15 tables. Remember previously we didn't see any table, but now we see 15 tables. That means we have been able to successfully load and restore the DVD rental database that we downloaded into our PostgreSQL server. And if you come to this page right here, it tells us that there are 15 tables in the DVD rental database, right? And as you can see right here, we got 15 tables. Very good, guys. Very good, guys. Very good. We have been able to resolve this issue. Okay. Now, guys, if you're finding this video valuable, please go ahead right now and subscribe to my channel and also click on the like button and also click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Guys, it's very important for you to click that like button and subscribe. As you know that the more like button we have, the more the better the YouTube algorithm is going to recommend us even to many more people. And also the more we are going to be motivated to even do more fantastic and awesome video for you guys. Because what that means is that there are people that appreciate what we are doing and there are people that we are impacting positively. But if we don't get, likes, we don't get views and all of that, then that means no one actually, is that means no one is actually finding this valuable. So please go ahead and subscribe and click on that like button and help us to share these videos and also help us to sing the praises of our channel to many more people so that many more people can benefit from this. All right, guys, put your comment in the comment section below, or if you have any question, do not forget to put that in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.